C4 has been successfully activated. Bomb detonation countdown successfully started.
Today we received a Dell motherboard which is removed from Dell Optiplex 755 machines. Okay, let's we power on motherboard and see what has happened. And we have connected the power supply and 12 connector and front panel. Of course, this is quite different from other motherboards. And okay, let's power on. This is a common issue, I think, very common to the Dell motherboards only, I think. This is called orange light issue. This is in other ways we call amber light issue. This is the situation where power light is blinking. So this is actually happen with the power section. So we need to check the power section, and voltage regulation modules also cause this problem. So let's check it and see what has happened. Okay, first we check the power supply is okay. So with the power supply tester, so first we connect to the power supply tester, whether it is okay. This seems to be okay. Power supply is okay, 100% okay, no problem with the power supply. So we suppose that this is a problem with the motherboard. Okay, we check where it is necessary. Now we have to check the VRM section, which is around the processor and around some components, especially the MOSFETs. There are two kinds of MOSFETs. One is main MOSFET, the other is supporting MOSFET. So we need to check them all. So first we check the main MOSFETs. Nothing. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, main MOSFETs are okay. So let's check the supporting MOSFETs. Oh, there's a problem with them. Problem with main supporting MOSFETs, I think. So we need to check them all supporting MOSFETs. Oh, nothing. Okay. Some supporting MOSFETs is faulty, we feel that. Sometimes this may be the culprit. Okay, let's remove and check first. Okay, now we're going to remove the faulty MOSFETs. Now this is faulty. Okay, now we remove the faulty MOSFET. So now let's check whether the short is already there. Still there, of course. Fault is still there. problem MOSFET has been removed, but problem is still there. So we need to check the other supporting MOSFET also. Yeah, it's also have a problem. So we need to remove them and find out which one is faulty. Okay, let's find out. Okay, now we have removed all three supporting MOSFETs. Let's check his problem is still there. Short is still there. So now we believe that, and we guess what how this happened, because all we have removed the three supporting MOSFETs, but problem is still there. Short is still in the board. So we suspect this is the culprit. This is the VRM IC. So this IC supplies the voltage to the processor section. So this IC might be faulty. So let's check, and in case we need to replace this IC. Okay, this is the VRM IC magnified image we showing you, because we in the naked eye you can't see, it is very difficult to see it. So it is, so now you can see through the magnifier lens. Okay, so this is the VRM IC. Now you can see them very clearly, I think. So sometimes we need to replace this. So now we are going to replace this VRM IC. This is not an easy task, so need little time and to align this very precisely, so it takes little time. So let's do it. Okay, now we have replaced VRM IC. Let's check whether the problem is okay now. Okay, we have replaced the VRM IC. This is the VRM IC we replaced. So now let's connect the power connectors and let's power on the motherboard and see our problem has gone. So this is the main connector, and this is the 12-pin connector, and the most important one is front panel connector. This is called front panel connector because this is all diagnostic lights are there, so we can understand any problem. So with regard to the motherboards with these diagnostic lights, so then let's power on. Okay, now it seems that problem has gone. Lights are changing. Now display comes the, I think you hear the beep sounds. So now problem has gone. We solved this problem. This is amber light issue. We fix it. So thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe us.